Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Maske Sir. Friends, in this today's video, we are going to see some of the warming up activities from English workshop and activities from language study section and live English of the 7th class lesson 2 habits, which includes 2 stories. So let's get started. Start with some of the warming up activities, which includes 2 minutes of oral work. So within 2 minutes, tell as many words as possible related to the following. I have given the answers: village, fields, farmer, crop, trees, river, cattle, hills, fresh air, no pollution, huts, calm, and animals. Next, words related to city: tall buildings, vehicles, traffic, shop, malls, crowd, trains, aeroplane, businesses, buses, pollution, and industries. Next, some of the words related to forest: trees, wild animals, plants, caves, fruits, grass, birds, rain, river, tall mountains, fresh air, and beautiful atmosphere. Next question. Margin questions. Question 1. Who rushed out upon the friends? Answer: a bear rushed upon the 2 friends. Question 2. Where were they at that time? They were passing through a wood. Why did the other traveler lie with his face in the dust? The other traveler had heard that bears do not bother dead animals. So in order to save himself from the bear, he threw himself flat down upon the ground and pretended to be dead. Did the bear really whisper to the traveler? No, the bear did not really whisper to the traveler. Use the phrase "be good at something" in your own sentence. Answer: they are good at making stories. He is good at swimming. Find the sentences in which it is used in this story. Answer: one of the travelers was good at climbing trees. Guess the meaning of A. Turn up his long nose. Meaning: to refuse something because you don't like it or it is not good for you. Put up with. Meaning: to accept something that is unpleasant without complaining. Set off. Meaning: begin the journey. And refreshment, meaning small amount of food or a drink. Describe some features of country life and town life. Answer: country life. The country life is far better than city life. The atmosphere of the country life is simple, calm, and quiet. The surrounding of the country life is full with greenery such as green trees, tall mountains, rivers, streams, farms, different animals. There is no pollution in the country life, no problem of heavy traffic. People enjoy fresh air. Town life. The town life is quite full of hurry and worries. It is very fast, no fresh air, and a lot of traffic problems. People do not have enough time to talk to each other. We find modern means of communication and entertainment. Nightlife, stress, and strains we find in a town life. Next. Rewrite the story using human characters and making other appropriate changes. आता ही जी गोष्ट आहे आपल्याला ती एक काही ह्युमन कॅरेक्टर्स यूज करून पुन्हा लिहायची आहे. जसे मी या ठिकाणी लिहिले आहे, गणेश अँड सुरेश आर गुड फ्रेंड्स. Ganesh lives in a village wherever Suresh lives in a big city. Once Ganesh invites his city friend to his village. Suresh comes to his village, but he does not like the atmosphere of the village. He dislikes the simple life of a village and the simple food offered by his closer friend Ganesh. He finds the village life uninteresting and boring. So he invites his friend Ganesh to his home in the city. Suresh takes Ganesh to the city where he lives. When Ganesh goes there, he feels uncomfortable and uneasy. Ganesh always used to eat simple food, so he dislikes the food in the city. He does not find fresh air. He thinks that there is no time for people to talk even to their neighbors. So he dislikes the city life and decide to leave the city. So this is the story by using human characters and making some reasonable changes. What is the meaning of only? The word only suggests that growling and barking of the dog is not important or serious. What is better, country life or town life? Why? I think country life is always better than the town life because we find comfort and peace only in the life of a country. We always feel fresh in the country life, wherever the town life is always full with hurry and worries. Villagers can enjoy fresh air and atmosphere where the air of the town life is full with pollution. Some of the activities from English workshop. Question 1. This story has two parts. Write what happened in each part. Answer. In the country, at the big house, the town mouse went to visit his cousin. Both the mice arrived at the big house where the town mouse lived. The country mouse gave the town mouse beans, seeds, and bread. The town mouse offered his cousin jellies and cakes. The town mouse did not like the food. The country mouse did not like the food offered by the town mouse. So friends, I have underlined the answers in the table. Next question. Translate the following into your mother tongue. I do not like that music at my dinner. माझ्या रात्रीच्या जेवणाच्या वेळी ते भयंकर संगीत मला आवडत नाही. Better beans and bread in peace than cakes and jellies in fear. आन्सर. भीतीने खाल्लेल्या केक व जेलीपेक्षा शांतपणे धान्याचे दाणे व भाकरी खाणे अधिक चांगले. Write the moral of the story in your mother tongue using your own words. शहरातील झगमगाटीच्या जीवनापेक्षा खेड्यातील शांततामय व समाधानकारक जीवन कधीही चांगले. हे या गोष्टीचा बोध आपल्याला काढता येईल. Language study. Use any 5 of the following verbs in your own sentences to show the past, present, and future tenses. Like, love, answer, scamper, wait, sniff, love. यातली 5 वर्ब आपल्याला पास्ट, प्रेझेंट आणि फ्युचर ऍक्शन टेन्स दाखवण्यासाठी आपल्या स्वतःच्या वाक्यामध्ये वापरावयाच्या आहेत. Verb, past tense, present tense and future tense. Like, he liked fast food. He likes fast food. He will like fast food. Love, they love vegetables. They love vegetables. They will love vegetables. Answer, I answered the questions. I answered the question. I shall answer the question. Scamper, the squirrel scampered from trees to trees. The squirrel scampers from trees to trees. The squirrel will scamper from trees to trees. Wait, we waited for her nearly an hour. We wait for her nearly an hour. We shall wait for her nearly an hour. So friends, note the difference between past tense, present tense and future tense. So I have taken only one sentence and turn this sentence into present as well as into future. So you have to notice the changes that occurs while going to the another tense. Past, present, future. So these are the verb forms that have irregularly changes. म्हणजे क्रियापदाची अनियमित रूपे आहेत की जे कोणत्याही नियमानुसार बदलत नाही. फॉर एक्झाम्पल वेंट, गो किंवा गोज कर्त्यानुसार, विल शॅल गो. केम, कम कम्स, विल शॅल कम. एट, ईट ईट्स, विल शॅल ईट. फ्ल्यू, फ्लाय, फ्लाइज, वी शॅल, वी will or shall fly. Give, give, gives, will, shall, give. Took, take, takes, will, shall, take. So, the English activity from live English section. Read this menu card carefully and answer the questions given below the card. So, friend, you will find a menu card in your textbook. So you have to observe this menu cards carefully and answer the questions. Question 1. Guess the meaning of menu card. Answer. Menu card is a list of dishes that can be served at a meal, especially in a hotel. What is the purpose of a menu card? Answer. Menu card helps the customer or the people to choose and order the food items which they like. Is this menu card in English or Marathi? So we have to discuss this question. The menu card is in English language, but the names of the food items are in Marathi. हे मेनू कार्ड जर इंग्रजीमध्ये असलं तरी त्यातली जी काही नाव आहेत फूड आयटम्सची ती मात्र मराठी भाषेमध्येच आहेत. List at least 5 English and 5 Marathi words from the cards separately. English words: regular, vegetables, deluxe, sweets, soup, butter. Marathi words: मराठी झटका, थाली, मसाला भात, पुरणपोळी, भरली वांगी, कोशिंबीर, झुणका भाकर, दही वाटी. Use the menu card given on page number 42 and prepare dialogues for the following situations. तुम्हाला 3 सिच्युएशन दिलेले आहेत. So you have to develop imaginary dialogues on one of the topics. So I have given one example for you. So you have to solve 2 of the remaining dialogues. Hotel staff welcomes the customer and tells them about the specialties of the hotel. Hotel staff: good evening sir, how can I help you? Customer: we need a table for 6 persons. Hotel staff: sure sir, come this way, it is here. Customer: thank you. Hotel staff: welcome sir, here is our menu card. Customer: anything special here? Hotel staff: there are variety of cuisines. Our deluxe thali is in a good demand. Zunka Pakar, Puran Puri are our other specialties. Customer, bring 6 deluxe thalis. Hotel stop, here is your completed order.